Hey, what's up, fellow model train enthusiasts? This is Lone Wolf 777, broadcasting from his home in California today, with an awesome review of awesome proportions. This is a 44 Northern, 4 pilot wheels, 8 driving wheels, 4 trailing wheels. This is the Santa Fe 3751 steam locomotive in HO scale. For those of you who are wondering what is HO scale, it is 1/8 7th scale of the real thing. This is based off the real steam locomotive in 3751. It is in Amtrak's Union Terminal Roundhouse area. It's still there as of today. They're currently undergoing their Federal Railroad Administration boiler recertification certificate thing. That's every 15 years. So since the real thing is down, we have the model to represent what the real thing looks like. So this was owned and operated by the Santa Fe Railroad, and they are no longer in existence as of today. They are now known as the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad, which I intensely do not like. But hey, that's okay. Everybody has their favorites. So let's go over the front details. There was a bit of a mishap, as you can see here. The grab irons thing popped off by accident. That's okay though, I managed to glue it down, but I had to super glue it down so you can see somewhat of the residue still there. It's not really that noticeable, so it's fine. I also used, no, this came with KD couplers already, so it's really not much. But what I did do is I took off the that magnetic trip pin that goes all the way down to here. I cut it in half so it doesn't, get caught up in all the switches and turnouts and all that stuff. So let's get over here. It's got a movable bell. It doesn't chime or anything. As you can see, very nice piping detail. You got the air pumps here, hidden a little bit, but they're both there. The light does light up. The smoke does puff out. Excuse me. Number boards do not light up. Sand dome, steam dome. This is where the engineer moves the throttle and then makes the engine go, fast or slow. You got the driving wheels, the pilot wheels, driving wheels, trailing wheels. This locomotive is superheated, so it actually does have a bit more speed to it now. Instead of it being 70 to 80, it's up to 90, and it was actually recorded to at least break 100 miles per hour, so that's cool. You got the steam dynamo, you got all the various piping details. You have the whistle right here. I have no idea what these are. I'm still doing research on this locomotive and its components. You got the builder's plate right here, if you can see that. It's a little not legible. Okay. Oh, right. This wheel right here is a rubber traction tire wheel. So there's actually a rubber band around the wheel that you can actually use to help get it to grip the tracks better. I don't like that because whenever I try to clean the wheels for here, here, and here, it's just it's a really gnarly mess to do it. So it's just better to actually get the non-traction tire and install it. You have air pumps right here. Well, one air pump right here. You have the crew cab figures that I had to install myself. This locomotive does not come installed with the cab figures. You have to buy them yourself and install them yourself, so that's a little tricky. So I'm going to move. You have both fireman and engineer cab escape doors. I want to call them escape doors. In case if the engineer runs the train into a lake or something, they can get out through here if their passage is blocked. You have the 3751 tender, very well finely detailed. The backup light does work. You know what? Let me put this down. Try to. I installed a PWRS Magnalock air hose, as you can see. It's not glued down or anything. I want to get it in the right position to where it can couple up to the other air hoses on diesel locomotives or freight cars or passenger cars, but it has to be at a certain angle to where it can do that. Backup light, like I said, does work. It operates. You have the 3751 right here. You have the other legible writing right here, if you can see that. If you can, I'm sorry. I got to get this video done within under 5 minutes, and I'm going well beyond that. You have the AT and SF right there, Ashton, Topeka, Santa Fe Railroad. Engineer, and the various components, and that's pretty much it. This locomotive does operate on a certain radius curve setting for 22 and 24 and above. So that means if you try to use 18 curved radius track, this thing is going to constantly derail and it's not going to be fun for you. So if you're going to have this particular locomotive, make sure you understand the curved radius of what it needs to have, yada yada yada. This also has DCC and sound. It's got Paragon 3 sound in it, so if you had the Paragon 3 subwoofer, it would automatically sync with this and make the sound of the locomotive more louder. Pretty cool technology. I love how they're doing this. The model industry is going in the right direction when it comes to various details such as this. I love it. I hope to see more of it. Alright, that's all I can spare into this video. I hope you love this video. Please comment, like, subscribe. If you got any questions, throw them down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, smash that like button, subscribe, share the video. Alright, YzffytNuC0l2 signing off. See you down the rails. Peace out.